Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing stuffed brinjal curry, a must have side dish for every biryani and pulao. This robust and thick gravy is a symbol of authentic cooking. The ingredients are 500 gram of brinjal, 2 large onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 pod of garlic, 1 lemon sized tamarind, half a cup of peanut, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half a cup of fresh coconut and half a cup of dry coconut. Salt as per taste. And for the other spices, please refer to the description section for the details. To begin with, I'll start roasting few ingredients. First, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Roasting enhances the nutty flavor. Roast till the seeds crackle. Then you can roast the peanuts till you get some brown spots on it, followed by dry coconut and fresh coconut. You can grind all these ingredients into a powdered form. Add around a teaspoon of oil to a pan and start frying the chopped onion. Fry till the onion is translucent, then you can add the peeled garlic, followed by chopped tomatoes. Continue frying till the tomatoes are mushy. Once all these ingredients cool down, you can blend it to form a thick paste. Here I have the powder of coconut and sesame seed along with peanuts and fresh coconut. You can add a little amount of salt as per your taste. To make it easy for the filling, add a very little amount of water and mix it to form a very thick paste. Now cut the brinjal such that you are making 4 incisions and stuff this cavity with this paste as much as possible. Once the brinjals are stuffed, you can heat up oil in a pan and start with tempering by adding few cumin seeds. Allow it to crackle, followed by mustard seeds, then add few methi seeds, then curry leaves and allow it to splutter thoroughly. Then you can add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida and place the stuffed brinjal in the pan. Whatever paste is left out, you can add it to this brinjals. This paste prevents the burning of the dry spices which I'll be adding now, which is a little amount of red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and cumin seed powder. Mix it and allow it to get fried in the oil thoroughly. So that the masala doesn't burn, add a very little amount of water, around half a cup will be enough. Then you can put on the lid and allow the brinjals to get cooked on a low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, the masala is cooked and the oil has started getting separate from it. Then you can add the blended tomato, onion and garlic paste. Mix it and cook it for some more time. You can see still the filling is intact in the brinjals. Put the lid on and cook till the brinjals are soft. Once the brinjals are cooked thoroughly, then you can extract the pulp of tamarind water and you can add it to the gravy. Now it is the time to cook on a very low flame and give the last tempering. For that I have heated little amount of oil and I am adding 4 to 5 whole red chilies and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This I'll be using as a garnish after transferring the gravy in a bowl. Our gravy is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.